Snapper, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a different kind of video. So today we're going to be doing a Pokemon unboxing. Today I have this new tin. This tin's already open back here. This one is a new tin. So this is a Kyogre tin. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like the video for good luck on opening this. I hope that we get some good Pokemon. But, I mean, first off, we have a Kyogre EX, so that's a good start. So I'm going to open this up right now. Wait, let me open the lid. I'll be right back. Alright, the lid is not open, so I'm going to place the lid over here. Alright, so first up we have, I'm going to make the tin over. So first up we have a Kyogre EX. So I think I had another one, but I think I traded it. So now I have another one, plus the card that I traded it for. So I got two good cards now. So the Kyogre right there. Let me take it out. So there's the Kyogre. I will case it. I'll also do another video on my collection of Pokemon. They're all in this tin. It's actually a lot. There's actually some to the side. There's like two piles to the side. But yeah. So anyways, guys, we're going to open up this first pack right here. So let's open this. Okay, I got it open, guys. I got it. Alright, open. Alright, the cards are here. Alright, get that out of here. Alright, so I'll just go through the cards and you guys can look at them. Oh yeah, guys. Okay, so we got a Sharpedo EX. This is actually, I think this is my only, this might be my second dark powered Pokemon. Do you see how cool that looks? You can't really see because my curtains make my room look red, but his eye is like a laser red. Looks so cool. So next EX, I'll definitely frame that. Nidoria. So yeah, that was all from that pack. We have, oh, we got 3 more. That's a lot more than I thought. So let's open this up. Right. Murrow, Corfish, Weedle, Barboach, Steel, Rhyhorn, another Rhyhorn, I already have one. Sceptile, I think I have that too. Yes, I got another one of these. Definitely useful. Gourbeast and Doublade. And this is not important. So next we got this pack right here. So let's open this. Alright. Yanima, I can't pronounce that. Sparrow, Krabby, Dino, Gligar, Ludred. Do you guys see this? I just got a full art EX and it's very tight. Its name is Florges EX, or Florges EX. That's really cool. You guys see that? That's really cool. 30x of the day. Ooh, special energy. Enchanted Hammer. Swadloon. And this card that we don't. Alright guys, wish me luck. Last pack. Hit that like button down below. Let's try to get a mega. Panchan, Trampish, Poliwag, Stroomish, Scraggy, Scoruppy, Electivire, Gorita, Energy Switch, Klefki, and that. Okay, so we didn't get an EX from any that pack, but that was still a really good unboxing. At the end, we got a deck about this big of cards, so definitely gonna add that to the collection. So the tin is all opened. Fireworks, people. So yeah. Alright, so basically the good cards that we got in this pack were the Kyogre, obviously, the Forges, and the Sharpedo. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did enjoy the video, if you didn't, press it for the luck. So yeah, don't forget to do it if you did like it. And yeah, so I'd like to thank you all very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.